Hello everyone, God bless and much love to all of you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Novi Adventure once again, and your host for today. And for today's video, I'm going to react to the Diana Ankudinova, and this is requested by Sir J. Kodushen. So thank you so much, and mega love. Shout out to you, sir. And actually, he made a three requests, so I will choose the first one. And I'm very thankful that because he dropped the link itself, the video link, so it made me easy to uh, go directly to the video. And yes, so here we go. I don't know the title of this one, but she mentioned there, thank you very much for your reaction to the Anna Ankudinova. She is beautiful in performance. Yeah, right. So that's why I keep on this doing a reaction to her. So I want to invite you to respond the following song from her new lyrical album. Okay, so this is the Anna performance in the studio at Auto Radio. Thanks for attention. Good luck with everything. Yes, there you go, guys. Sir Sergey, thank you so much. This is for you. And we'll go straight to the video, the first one I just. So, okay. So, without further ado, guys, it's live and, oh my god, okay, it's a live session. So, there we go. I really don't know if it's English or what, or there is a subtitle. So we're gonna find out for this one. And there you go. Without further ado, let's start. One. Wow, I like the outfit. So simple. That voice.
Осень снова бросает листву, тонкой струйкой дым от камина заполняет вокруг пустоту. Голос хриплый, как будто простуженный, и желание просто молчать. Ты был раньше отчаянно нужен, не могла без тебя я дышать, а я теперь вне зоны доступа. Сердце абонент, мне без тебя вдруг стало просто так. Сменила осень небо цвет. Есть у разлуки привкус горечи, он смешан с запахом листвы, вдыхая струйку тишины. Я мысли прячу в новой полночи, а мой камин еще горит. Утро новым разбудит рассветом, солнце медленно гонит туманы. Будет найдено много ответов, только сердце не верит словам. Выпадает в бокале осадком непростая осенняя грусть. Осень мысли приводит в порядок, точно знаю, к тебе не вернусь. А я теперь вне зоны доступа.
Really love her voice.
Мне без тебя вдруг стало просто так. Сменила осень небо цвет. Есть у разлуки привкус горечи, он смешан с запахом листвы, вдыхая струйку тишины. Я мысли прячу в новой полночи, а мой камин еще горит. А мой камин еще горит.
Really had a unique voice, Diana.
Есть у разлуки привкус горечи, он смешан с запахом листвы, вдыхая струйку тишины. Я мысли прячу в новой полночи, а мой камин еще горит.
That was Oh, that was great performance, Diana Ankudinova, and just oh my God, I don't know what to say, but I really like her kind of voice. It's very unique, right? And you know that it's very low tone. It's always uh, say this one, but it's really I keep on I am hooked to her voice. I really love to listen, and even I don't know the lyrics. I don't understand, but just just feel relaxed. And what can I say about this? Just feel relaxed once I hear the song, but later I will find out what the lyrics it means, so in English. So I hope I can find it. So thank you so much for requesting this, Sir J. Thank you so much. Good. I forgot. Sir J. Kodushin. Thank you so much, sir, for this one and coming up for the two of your requests. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And for those who are supporting to the Anna Ankudinova, thank you so much, guys, for dropping my channel. And if you are new, please do subscribe to my channel for more reaction to the Anna Ankudinova, or your favorite video or favorite singer that you want me to react to. Right, go to the comment section down below and comment there, or it's better you drop the link itself, the video. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and God bless and much love.